How to get voice chat on Roblox in 2026. To begin, quit the game you are currently playing. If you are on mobile, go to the Roblox app. And if you are on PC, go to the Roblox website. Go to More or click the gear icon and go to Settings. Then go to Account Info. Look for the option that says Continue with Selfie. If you don't see the word selfie, then you probably see Continue. Tap or click that. If you have already done verification prior, you probably have voice chat and you just have to turn it on. However, if Roblox prompts you again to verify your age, you have to complete the verification. This could be a selfie or ID verification depending on your account or region. When prompted, if your device has a camera, tap Continue. If you have no camera, tap Continue on another device and use the QR code or email to complete verification on a device that has a camera. When prompted for camera access, make sure to allow it. Here's how to do it correctly, because most people get it wrong. With the camera, take a photo with your head in the circle and the room is bright. Do the instructions and it should tell you to turn your head slowly. It may take photos on its own, but you may have to click to take photos at each step. When you finish, Roblox will tell you or confirm your age. And yes, voice chat typically requires your account to be 13+. If your verified age is under that, voice chat won't show up. That's not a glitch, that's the rule. Now once verification is done, go back to Settings in Roblox. Tap Privacy and Content Restrictions. Then go to Communication Settings. Find Experience Chat and turn it on. Now join a game that supports voice chat. If Roblox asks for microphone access, tap Allow. If your mic still isn't working, open the Roblox menu, go to Settings, and find Set Output Device to your headset or speakers, whatever you're actually using to hear audio. Turn your volume up, close Settings, and you're done. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching.